build the 3D farm animation now, please?
Yes, of course, sweetie. Let's go set it up.
Wow, look at them! Yes, let's go plant them right now.
Enjoy your sunflowers.
This one is so soft. Can I hold it?
Of course, gently now. We'll take this one home.
That's the one we need for the sunflowers. Okay, let's grab it and go check out. Look at the sunflowers, Mama. They are so bright.
They are absolutely beautiful. Let's take one home.
Wow, look at all the blueberries. We can pick those too, sweetie. Here's a perfect one for your basket. This is the best strawberry ever. Look, Mommy, I put the big strawberry right in the middle.
It looks perfect, sweetie. You did a wonderful job.
This is the best strawberry right here.
Wonderful job, sweetie. It looks delicious.